Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we're going to look at a torque tube, and this is the one where one of the bond joints has failed, and it was missed on both the Prebuy and the Annual. Now, I will say this in defense of missing it. It is very hard to see. You need a very bright light, and you need to contort yourself way up by the rudder springs to take a good look at this. So let's look at this failure, and we'll talk about failures in general. So stay tuned. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. Now this particular torque tube, that's a drift pin that is through the bond joint, and the bond joints themselves are basically a very high adhesion solvent that is put between two pieces of metal to bond them together. And then it's called a torque tube because the metal piece on the right there, that long shaft, it actually twists. And then because of the twisting motion, it can put stress upon the sealant, and as you see here where the arrow points, the sealant has broken down. It's no longer sealing there. And as you can see, as we look from different angles, we get a better view of the sealant breaking. And this is what you're kind of looking for when you're going up into the thing. There are 4 of these joints on the airplane, and you need to check them from each side. And it's very hard to get up there by the rudder pedals, and you need a bright light. The other characteristic of a failed torque tube is that when it's bounced on its nose or a little bit of pressure, you'll hear a very distinctive clicking sound. Click, 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 click. And if you have your hand on the broken bond joint when it clicks, you'll actually feel the two pieces of metal move relative to each other. Again, it's not an easy thing to see, but it can be done. And then changing it is not nearly as much fun as changing out rudder springs, which you will look with fondness after you do a torque tube. So, ladies and gentlemen, we hope you found the pictures of this failed bond joint in a torque tube in our airplanes useful and informative. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. And don't forget to check your rudder springs at 1,000 hours. And again, after a torque tube, these will be easy to change. Thank you. So we hope you enjoyed all of this. Thanks for watching.